Today, I am going to show you an AI video that is currently going viral. You can see how many millions of views this channel's video has and how this channel went viral. You can also create a channel just like this very easily. In this complete video, I will show you how to create AI images for free, how to make AI videos for free, how to generate AI voice for free. You can make all of this completely free. Once you create all of this for free, you can start a channel on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere else. You can make AI videos for free on any platform. Watch every part of this video carefully and don't miss anything. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's get started. People everywhere are already using AI videos to earn real money online. You can do the same and start earning by creating videos with AI. No investment needed. Earn money easily with AI videos. Create, upload, and start earning today for free. Don't wait. Start today and turn your creativity into a real income with AI. I will also give you all the prompts in the description and explain exactly how to use them. First, open ChatGPT and write, "I want to create a object talk video about this exact type of character. Please create the same kind of character for me and give me a short story. Also give me 8 image prompts and make sure the character stays the same in each prompt." It will create AI image prompts exactly the way you want them. These are very high quality and powerful prompts, specially made to be the best for you. I will share all these prompts in my YouTube video description. Now the prompts are ready, and next we will create the images. Leonardo.ai is a very good website for creating AI images. I open it and set the size to 9:16. Then I select Phoenix 1.0. After that, I paste my prompt here. In a short time, the image generation starts. In this way, you paste your prompts one by one. Once all the prompts are pasted, you can see that the images are ready. Look how amazing these images are. This is how you can create AI images on this website. I copied the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here one by one. As you can see, it works perfectly. Leonardo.ai is a powerful AI image generation platform that enables users to create stunning, high-quality visuals from simple text prompts. Designed for artists, designers, and creators, it helps produce concept art, game assets, posters, and both realistic and fantasy-style images in no time. With its advanced AI models, all the images are ready now, and you can see how amazing and high quality they are. Now, I'll show you how you can use a prompt yourself. You just need to copy one of my prompts and paste it into ChatGPT. For example, write, "Please remove the pineapple and add banana." Now ChatGPT will create an English prompt for you. You can change it and add any fruit you like, just like I changed it to apple. Then, copy this new prompt and go back to Leonardo.ai. Paste the prompt there, and now you can see an amazing AI image ready. This is how you can easily create videos using AI images. Next, we will create an AI voice for free. There is a tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech. This is one of the best tools for generating AI voices, and you can use it for free. On Unlimited AI tools, you can also create free AI images, but here I'll show you how to generate AI voice for free. If you can't find this tool, leave a comment and I'll share the link with you. You can create AI voices for free, and it gives daily free credits, believe me. Now I open the AI text-to-speech generator. I copy my ChatGPT prompt and paste it here. Then I select any voice I like. There are many voices available. Blaze and Alex are some of the best. But for demonstration, I select any voice. I click on Generate. Remember, you can generate up to 1,000 words at a time. If your script is longer, you can split it into 4 parts to create the complete voice. Now the voice is ready. You can listen to it, and just like this, the AI voice is created.
5 food friends come to life every morning. Catchy the ketchup bottle loves giving advice.
Next, we will create the AI video. To create AI videos, we will use 2 websites where you can make AI videos for free. The first website is tomovi.ai. This is a very good website. I open it, and when I open it, I click on Try for Free. After clicking Try for Free, I log in with Google. This gives me 80 credits which I can use to create AI videos daily. If you use a different Gmail account, you can get more credits. Then, I go to video generation and click on it. I upload an image. After uploading the image, I paste the prompt and click Generate. In a short time, the AI video starts creating. You can see how amazing the AI video is. Next, I upload another image, paste its prompt, and the AI video starts generating again. This is how you can create multiple AI videos easily. The second website is Digen.ai. This is an amazing website that gives you 300 credits, which you can use to make 10 videos. After that, it gives daily credits, so you can easily create more AI videos. Right now, you can see I have over 5,200 credits because this account has been logged in for a long time. That's why I can create so many videos. If you want to make a lot of AI videos, Digen.ai is a very good website. Even if you don't use it every day, it will automatically give you daily credits, just like my account. Now I will create an AI video on this website. This is a very good website. I click on Create, then go to Upload. I first upload an image, then paste the prompt for that image and click Generate. The video starts creating. Next, I upload a second image, paste its prompt, and the video generation starts again. It takes a little time, but in this way, you can create 2 AI videos. You can create high-quality videos of 10-15 minutes easily. Now, using both of these websites, you can create AI videos daily for free. All the AI videos are ready, and they have turned out amazing. For the final video editing, I use CapCut. This is a very good software for editing videos. It's easy to use, free, and comes with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. I edit my video here in CapCut, add video effects, and now my video is ready. You can see the final result. Thanks for watching. Next time, if you have any questions related to this video, message me in the comments and I will answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Next time, I will share another method. Thanks again for watching.